What's up guys, Pedro here, and on this video we're going to taste that Brewers Best IPA that we made about 3 weeks ago, and we bottled it 2 weeks ago. It's called Pacific Coast. Coming up right after this. Okay, so IPAs, or Indian Pale Ales, are without a doubt my favorite type of beer. This is the one that we bottled 2 weeks ago, and let's try it out. It looks good. It definitely looks good. You smell that hops. It's carbonated great. Oh yeah, I have to say this is probably my favorite homebrew that I've done. This is excellent. This one here is going to be gone in no time. Okay, true to IPAs, this has a very citrusy flavor to it. A little bit of a bitter aftertaste, but it's delicious. It's really good. I definitely recommend this Pacific Coast kit. It's got a very good aroma too. Good stuff. I highly recommend it. Yeah, this one's not going to be around for long. But hey, I bought another IPA kit by a different company this time, from Amazon.com. Getting ready to unbox that. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless, take care.